Hi there, welcome back to 7-Figure Mastery. In this module, we'll learn about the basics of marketing your offer, as well as some tips you can use later as we go in depth in the later chapters. The key to earning massive profit with your online business is being able to generate massive amounts of traffic to your website. By traffic here, we mean your site visitors. This is only logical. More visitors means more exposure and brand visibility. This means more opportunities to make an impression, share your brand, and build a relationship with them. Combined with a brilliant product that meets needs and an impressive website, this will naturally result in more conversions, which means more sales. In order to do just that, you need a way to get word out there to the masses and give people a reason to visit your website. And this can only be achieved via online marketing methods, aka traffic generation. There are many methods and tactics available out there to help you generate traffic, both paid and for free. Among the available methods are Google AdWords, Solo Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram, and Pinterest. In the coming modules, we'll discover more about these different avenues available for traffic generation and learn how to use these methods to tweak our traffic numbers. However, before we venture down this path of discovery and learning, there is one thing that you need to keep in mind at all times. You should first and foremost focus on traffic quality over traffic volume. Numbers are important, but traffic quality should be prioritized even more. The traffic you get should be targeted, people who will very likely find your services or products a good fit with their needs and wants. Only then you'll see high rates of conversions. Tips for quality traffic generation. 1 is study your traffic numbers. Put your analytics to good use. Study them to find where your sales are coming from. Look out for key performance indicators and metrics. This includes click-through rates or CTR, conversion rates, bounce rates, and customer lifetime values. This way you can measure and identify visitors that are valuable and use that information to replicate success and enhance website traffic quality. 2. User-friendly website navigation and design. Your website should be user-friendly, period. Users should be able to find what they're looking for with minimal effort, with just a few clicks. Speed's also an important factor here. Loading times should be short. Not only that, website design should be as simple as possible and at the same time be aesthetically pleasing. Colors should be simple and words readable and clear. Having a mobile version of your website also helps, and most people nowadays surf the web using their mobile devices. 3. Your website content. Focus on the quality of your website content and also consider a more multifaceted approach with mediums you use to present your content. Incorporating popular formats like videos, webinars, infographics, and case studies will help you reach out to more people, which will help you get higher quality traffic.